How to insert a digital clock in your worksheet. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Excel on your device. Then, click on any cell and type in equal sign. Now, open bracket and close bracket and press on enter, which will open this kind of date and time. Now, right click on this cell and you'll find more options. In the options, click on Format Cells. Simply click on Format Cells, and then in here on the left side, click on Time. Select the type of time you want and press on OK at the bottom. After you've done that, in the Sheet 1 option at the bottom, right-click. Then click on View Code. After you've clicked on View Code in here, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Now, at the top left corner of your screen, click on it. You'll find these options. Click on Module. Now simply type in as shown in the screen. After you've typed in, press on Run at the top, which is triangle-like option. After you've done that, you can simply go back and your digital clock will pop up. It may take some time to load, but it will pop up. And this is how to insert a digital clock in your worksheet. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.